Close your eyes for just a moment, not because you have to, but because you deserve to. Let everything else wait. Right now, it's just you and your skin in this. What you're about to experience is a full deep cleansing ritual, the kind your skin has been quietly asking for. Think of it as a professional treatment session, only softer, slower, and entirely at your own pace. Every step in this ritual has been chosen with intention. Every motion, every product, every pause. This is a journey through what truly clean skin feels like, from the surface all the way down to where your pores breathe again. Before we begin, a word about how we do this. Every technique you'll see here is performed with precision and control. Hygiene comes first, always. Clean hands, clean tools, clean workspace. We work gently, because skin isn't something to fight against. It's something to understand. Nothing aggressive, nothing harsh. Only safe, carefully considered steps that your skin will thank you for. By morning, we start with warmth. A soft, warm towel, just a few degrees above body temperature, held gently against the face for 30 seconds. Feel the steam. Feel the skin begin to soften and surrender. This is the opening act. The warm-up. The conversation before the deep work begins. As the heat settles in, the pores gently expand, the surface tension releases, and the skin becomes receptive. It's almost like watching a flower slowly open. Now, the micellar water poured onto a soft cotton pad, never a rough one. Watch the motion, long upward strokes. Forehead, cheeks, the curve of the chin, never tugging, never pressing, just gliding. The first layer of the day lifts away, the makeup, the pollution, the invisible residue we all carry. The skin exhales for the first time. Let's take a moment to look. Really look. In this T-zone, the forehead, nose, the crease of the chin, you can see it. The buildup, tiny dark-tipped pores. Congestion sitting just below the surface, invisible to most, but there. Waiting. This isn't a flaw. This is your skin doing its job, producing sebum, protecting itself, keeping everything in balance. What we see here is simply the accumulation of time, of stress, of a world that doesn't always let us breathe. Think of your pores like the roots of a garden. Left unattended, the soil compacts. Things can't move freely. But with the right care, gentle, consistent, considered care, everything flows again. That's what today is about. Not perfection, not transformation, simply now. This is where we go deeper. The cleansing balm goes on first. A small pearl-sized amount, warmed between the palms until it turns to silk. Watch how it melts. That transformation is already happening before it even touches your skin. The application begins at the center, always the center, and moves outward in slow, deliberate circles. Notice the technique here. The pressure is light but purposeful. The fingertips work in small, upward spirals along the nose, that most congested corridor of the face. There is no rushing this. A single pass too fast and we miss half of what we came here to remove. Wait, do you feel that? That slight tingling warmth spreading across the skin right now? That's the active ingredients beginning their work. That's not discomfort. That's chemistry. That's your skin waking up a little warm water now, and watch what happens. The balm transforms. Silk becomes foam, dense and cushioned. The massage continues beneath it, fingers moving across the jaw, along the hairline, beneath the eyes with barely a whisper of pressure. This is where precision matters most. The skin around the eyes is 5 times thinner than anywhere else on the face. Every motion here is be feather-light, patient, reverent even. The rinse begins slowly. Cool water now, cooler than before, closing what the warmth opened. 1 rinse. 2. The foam disappears, carrying with it everything that had quietly settled into the skin over days, maybe weeks. Pat dry, never rub. The towel touches the face the way a hand touches something fragile and precious, because that's exactly what this is. The enzyme exfoliator comes next, the quiet professional of this routine. No grit, no harsh granules, just a soft cream-like formula that works at the surface level, dissolving dead skin cells the way early morning sun dissolves fog. We leave it. 1 minute. 2. The skin does the work. We simply give it permission. The deep work is done. Now we soften, we comfort, we restore. A hydrating toner, pressed gently into the skin with open palms, not wiped, pressed. Feel the coolness of it, the instant relief. This is the skin's first drink after a long journey. Follow with a niacinamide serum, your pore minimizer, your brightener, your quiet daily protector, 3 drops, warmed in the palms. Applied with upward pressure, as if lifting the face rather than pressing it down. Everything from this moment forward is about rebuilding, about sealing in the good and keeping out the world. This right here is the part most people skip. It's the part the skin remembers longest. The moisturizer goes on like a whisper, gentle, even. Into the cheeks, the forehead, the jawline, the neck. The neck ages first, and most people forget it entirely. Allow it 30 seconds to settle. You'll feel the skin change under your fingers as it absorbs. And now the final step, the most important one. Sunscreen not optional. Not just for summer, not just for the beach. Everything we just did, every careful, loving minute of this ritual, is undone in 20 minutes of unprotected sun exposure. SPF 50, broad spectrum, applied generously across every inch of the face and neck. If you only ever remember one step from this entire ritual, let it be this one. Sunscreen is not the end of your routine. It is the roof over the house you just spent 10 minutes building. Press it in, don't rub. Let it become part of you before you face the world. Look at that. That's not just clean skin. That's what it feels like when you choose yourself for 10 minutes. When you stop the noise long enough to tend to the one thing that carries you through every single day. Your skin is not a problem to be solved. It's a living, breathing record of everything you've been through, and it is worthy of exactly this kind of care. You don't have to earn rest. You don't have to earn softness. Come back to this ritual whenever the world feels like too much. Your skin will always be waiting, patient, forgiving, and ready to begin again. Take a breath. Notice how the skin feels, smooth, calm, alive. That's not a product. That's not a technique. That is you taken care of. Until next time, be gentle with yourself.